7 quick tips for heat sealing decorated sugar cookies so your packaging looks cleaner and more polished. Tip 1. If you already have self-sealing bags and you're upgrading to heat sealing, don't toss what you have. You're going to trim the edge off the bag anyway, so use your current supply first. Tip 2. Protect your details before the cookie ever goes into the bag. If you use metallics, luster dust, or edible markers for details, a little cornstarch can help keep them from smearing when they rub against the inside of the bag. You only need a very light dusting and then gently brush away any excess so the cookie still looks clean. Tip 3. Wear gloves when you're bagging your cookies. Handling dozens of cookies can get sticky and messy, and clear bags show fingerprints and smudges really easily. Gloves help keep the packaging look clean and your cookies more sanitary. Tip 4. Test and adjust your heat setting before sealing a bunch of cookies. Every heat sealer is a little bit different and every bag is a little bit different. For most of my cookies, I use a setting somewhere between a 3 and a 4. You want the seal to be secure, but not so hot that it melts or cuts through the bag. Tip 5. Place the sealed edge at the bottom of your cookie design. That way, once the cookie is boxed, the seals are tucked away and don't distract from your designs. It's a small detail, but it makes the whole package look more intentional. Tip 6. Double seal your bags. I like to add a second seal close to the first one just for a little extra security. Sometimes that first seal isn't perfect, and this is like a little insurance policy for your cookie's freshness. Tip 7. Trim the sealed edge with pinking shears. This gives the bag a neat finish and also makes it easier to open. Heat sealing is a small part of the packing process, but these little details can make your cookies look much more polished, thoughtful, and professional. I hope you found something in this video inspiring and helpful, and I hope to see you next time.